Lesson number 7 Advanced English Conversation Course. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. Subscribe and share this video. Answer these questions. Do you consider eating a chore, a duty, or a pleasure? Why? What did you eat yesterday? Was it a typical day? Do you drink juice/tea/coffee in the morning? Regular or decaffeinated? Do you eat at the same time each day? Or do you eat when you have time? Do you prefer salty snacks or sweet snacks? How often do you have snacks? Where do you usually shop for food? What shopping tips can you share? What drinks do you often have with your evening meal? What is your favorite vegetable? Are you a vegetarian? What is your favorite fruit? Which fruits do you find delicious? Can you name 3 Indian dishes that you really enjoy or savor? Has your diet changed since moving to Maharashtra? How? Which dishes from your country would you recommend to a tourist? Is there any food you enjoyed in your homeland that you haven't found here? Are you a chef? What's your favorite recipe? Where did you get it? What dishes do you cook? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.